Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix Wallpaper GX wallpaper not working. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If you're experiencing issues with the wallpaper not working in Wallpaper GX, you can try the following steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. So the first method would be ensure that you're using the latest version of Wallpaper GX. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements. You can check for updates by going to Settings, then Wallpaper Help. Another method, go to Settings, in the GX corner, find the Wallpaper section. Check if the Wallpaper feature is enabled. If it's disabled, toggle the switch to enable it. Next method, go to Settings, under Privacy and Security, click on Clear Browsing Data. Choose the time range and choose Cache Images and Files. Click on Clear Data. Next method, extensions can sometimes interfere with browser functionality. Temporarily disable extensions to see if they are causing the issue. To do this, go to the extensions in the sidebar, disable all extensions, and check if the wallpaper starts working. If it works, enable each extension one by one to identify the problematic one. Next method, go to Settings, use the search bar to look for the Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Make sure it is enabled. Next method, try changing the wallpaper to a different one to see if the issue persists. This can help determine whether the problem is specific to a particular wallpaper. Another method, open Wallpaper GX Settings, scroll down and click on Advanced, then click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. Confirm by clicking Restore in the dialog box. Restart Wallpaper GX and check if the wallpaper starts working. Another method, ensure that your operating system is up to date. Some issues may be related to compatibility with the operating system. And lastly, if none of the above solutions work, consider reaching out to Wallpaper GX support for assistance. They may have the specific troubleshooting steps or updates related to wallpaper issues. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.